What? Here we have our Dron GUI code and processing. We wrote all this, along with the code that is in the actual flight controller for the GUI part. We'll go ahead and click Run. This will launch our GUI. And there we are. We'll go ahead and choose our COM port. Click Connect. And now we should see our 3D rectangle following the movements of our IMU flight controller. We also have our RC commands shown in the GUI. And throttle here. And if we roll our stick to the left and right, we'll see we get a little bit of movement in our green motor command bars. And that's because we have 0.2 for roll P in our GUI. If we change that to 1, hit the right button to send that information to our flight controller. If everything worked, we should now see, as we use the roll stick, much more movement in our green motor command bars. And we do, which means everything is working. And if you don't want to look at just a rectangle, we have a button here for a proper representation of our drone. What? And again, that should follow just fine. And that's it.